Easy spaghetti salad. Simple and healthy recipe for a balanced summer dinner or the perfect side dish for a party. Making this spaghetti salad requires very little cooking. Juicy ripe tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, tender spaghetti with your favorite creamy dressing. Just pair it with whatever you're serving from the grill. Large pot of salted water. Cook spaghetti pasta according to package directions. Do not overcook the pasta. Drain and rinse under cold water. Grate 150 grams of cheddar cheese. In a large bowl, mix together chopped green bell pepper. Did you know that green sweet peppers are high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory plant compounds, including vitamin C and carotenoids? Two chopped medium-sized tomatoes. Two peeled and chopped cucumbers. One red onion. Add 200 milliliters salad dressing. I use the bottled one to save the time. Mix together until well combined. Season with black ground pepper and garlic powder and grated cheddar. Add vegetables to the cooled pasta and toss well. Chill for at least 2 hours before serving. Enjoy your delicious spaghetti salad! Watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more easy, delicious ideas.